Hey everyone, this is a quick short demo video on talking about cross contour drawing. We're going to do drawings of shoes for this project. So pick a pair of shoes that you like that has an interesting form to it, feels lived in, has some nice like wrinkles and folds, and set them up somewhere where there's like decent lighting so you can see them. Let's show you real quick. Boots. Got those guys set up so I can draw them. And then for your first drawing, which you can see the demo of mine behind me, you're going to focus on doing cross contour lines with a horizontal stroke. So they should mostly be going back and forth. Sometimes it's tempting to want to go up and down, and it's very tempting to want to define edges, right? Because we're very kind of focused on like outer edge contours typically at the beginning. So this is a real learning curve in terms of looking at the surface changes, the volume changes of your object. So practice with this particular drawing on newsprint with compressed charcoal, just moving back and forth across the form of your subject. And my reason for wanting you guys to utilize charcoal for this particular study is it can do so many different like shades and tones even with a line drawing. So these different areas that are a little bit of a darker value in this particular drawing are created mostly from just using the side of the charcoal, right? And putting a little bit more pressure. And I find that really, really helpful in defining like one shoe from another, or areas of the shoe that needs a little bit of emphasis, maybe has some stronger shadows in it, like the actual inside, right, of these boots where you can see it going into space. So compressed charcoal, sheeted newsprint, utilizing your lines going back and forth. So your second study for this particular project will be using vertical lines, right? So moving up and down. And then the last one will just be a free-for-all scribble. So you can really get some energetic line going while still describing and taking into account the changes of surface in your subject. All right, good luck drawing your shoes.